Hi Bubble developers and startup founders. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to fail fast and validate your startup ideas. If you have a new product or a business idea, you might be itching to start building it on Bubble right away. But wait, slow down Turbo. It's essential to validate your idea first to avoid wasting time and resources on a potential flop that might not resonate with your target audience. So buckle up and get ready to learn how to fail fast, validate your idea, and make sure you're on the right track before you embark on the wild roller coaster. As a startup founder, you must be prepared to fail, but to do so quickly. Identifying your target customer early on helps ensure your product is solving a real problem. Learning what customers want saves time and energy, allowing you to focus on the most valuable aspects of your product. Failing fast will help you identify opportunity costs and reevaluate your strategy before you have invested too much time, money, and effort. By questioning your idea and understanding its potential pitfalls, you can uncover related customer problems and pivot if necessary. Here's some inspiration from Thomas Edison and former IBM CEO that shows the importance of this mentality. Now, let's look at some examples of individuals that embraced failure. Thomas Edison overcame 10,000 unsuccessful light bulb experiments before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter manuscript was rejected multiple times by publishers. Walt Disney was fired for lacking creativity and faced failed ventures. Colonel Sanders persisted through 1,000 plus KFC franchising rejections. Here are 5 reasons why startup owners should embrace the concept of failing fast. Identifying your target customer early helps ensure your product addresses genuine issues, increasing its chances of success by pinpointing real problems. Discovering what customers truly want enables you to concentrate your time and energy on the most valuable aspects of your product, allowing you to streamline your product development. Failing fast allows you to recognize opportunity costs and reassess your strategy before investing too many resources, ensuring better decision making and optimizing your resource allocation. By critically examining your idea and understanding its potential shortcomings, you can identify related customer problems and adapt your approach as needed to uncover new opportunities. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity promotes a growth mindset, fostering resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. Most importantly, failing fast allows you to validate your business idea in the least possible time with the least possible resources. Now let's look at a few companies that failed fast to succeed. Dropbox pivoted from targeting a niche market of tech-savvy users to a broader audience. Airbnb shifted from offering air mattresses and shared spaces to a comprehensive platform for renting entire homes and private rooms. Slack pivoted from being an internal communication tool for a gaming company to a popular team collaboration platform that we know of today. These examples illustrate how embracing a fail-fast mentality can help companies adapt, pivot, and ultimately succeed by learning from their mistakes and iterating quickly. Now let's look at one of the ways you can do so with your product or your business when you're starting out. Well, you can start by finding your customer. How do you find your customer? First, start by identifying your target audience. To identify your target audience, take a piece of paper and clearly define the demographics and psychographics of your ideal customer. Understand their needs, pain points, and motivations, what they use, what they don't use, what they do, what they don't do, their behaviors. Try to understand that and identify your target audience. Once you have done that, today we have so many social media platforms that we could use and leverage in order to connect with potential customers. With a few searches, you'll be able to find groups that you can join and pages or accounts that you can follow. on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to be able to connect with your customers. You can also join relevant online forums, communities, or Slack channels where your target audience is present. Or you can do it in an old-fashioned way, which is by attending industry events, webinars, or conferences to network with potential customers. So now that you have identified your target audience, you have found your target audience, what's next? The next part is to be able to validate your idea. So you've had an idea, you've identified who's it for, and now it's actually testing your idea. And you can do so simply by creating a landing page and capturing interest. So you can design an attractive, responsive landing page for your product idea that showcases your value proposition, key features, and includes a clear call to action. To gauge interest and start building a community around your idea, incorporate an email sign-up form on your landing page, encouraging visitors to subscribe for updates, exclusive content, or early access to your product. Use any of the available tools to create your landing page quickly and watch your mailing list grow as you gather valuable leads and potential customers who are genuinely interested in your offering. Once you have done that, it's time to talk to your customers. Share your landing page with your target audience through social media, email, or online communities. Encourage them to provide feedback on your product idea, value proposition, and the overall concept. And you can also utilize tools like Google Forms, Typeform, or even Bubble.io's built-in features to collect feedback. Feedback is really important. There are a few companies here that I want to talk about. Amazon actively solicits customer feedback through product reviews, ratings, and surveys to continuously improve its offerings. They've come a long way from becoming a online bookshop to selling everything from A to Z. Starbucks created a dedicated platform called My Starbucks Idea to gather customer feedback and suggestions. Tesla actively listens to its customers and incorporates their feedback to improve its electric vehicles. Zappos, in its early stages, founder Nick personally interacted with potential customers in a shopping mall, asking them about their preference for buying shoes online. He used this direct feedback to understand the market and refine his business model, which ultimately led to the development of the successful online shoe retailer that Zappos is today. MailChimp co-founders Ben Chestnut and Dan Kurzweis work closely with their existing web design clients to understand their email marketing needs. These examples demonstrate the importance of engaging with customers and using their feedback to inform business decisions, ultimately leading to greater success and customer satisfaction. Now that we've come towards the end of it, analyzing the feedback to identify trends and insights can guide your product development. Based on this analysis, you'll be able to make an informed decision about whether to scrap your idea, pivot, or proceed with confidence. If your idea isn't resonated with your target audience, consider pivoting or iterating on the concept to better align with their needs. By validating your idea early on, you save yourself the pain of building a full product only to find out it doesn't meet customer needs, and instead use this valuable insight and information to refine your approach and maximize your chances of success. To conclude, failing fast and validating your ideas is a smart way to ensure you're building something your customers truly want. By identifying your target audience, creating a landing page, and collecting feedback, you can save time, money, and effort while building a successful product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Planet No Code for more bite-sized videos on Bubble and starting your own startup.